In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual expense in QuickBooks Online. This task can help you accurately manage your business's expenditures and keep your accounts up to date. Manually recording expenses is essential in tracking your financials meticulously, especially if you need to enter transactions that haven't been automatically imported. So let's walk through this step-by-step guide together. First, go ahead and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll want to focus on the top navigation bar. Here, look for the new icon, which is typically represented by a plus sign. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu filled with various transaction types you can create. In this menu, you'll see different categories. Under the category labeled Vendors, select Expense. This option allows you to record any outflow of money related to your business transactions. Now that you have the expense form open, start by paying attention to the Payee field. If you've already set up vendors in QuickBooks, you'll have the option to select one from the existing list. If the vendor you're paying isn't on the list, you can add them right from this screen. This ensures that you have all your transactions attributed to the correct parties. Next, focus on the Payment Account field. This is where you specify which bank or credit card account was used to pay for the expense. Selecting the correct payment account is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. After that, it's time to enter the payment date and choose the payment method. These fields help you track exactly when and how the payment was made, be it credit, debit, cash, or any other method. Moving on, let's concentrate on the category section. Here, select the appropriate expense account that aligns with the nature of the expense you're recording. QuickBooks offers a drop-down menu with various expense accounts, or you can add a new category that fits your business needs. Choosing the correct category helps in organizing expenses for accurate reporting later. In the description and memo fields, add any additional details you think would help clarify the expense. These fields are not mandatory, but they can be quite handy when reviewing your accounts in the future, offering context or specific notes that can aid in recalling the details of that expenditure. Now, enter the amount of the expense. Make sure the figure is accurate, as this directly impacts your financial reports. Lastly, decide how you want to finalize your entry. Click Save and Close if you've finished this entry and don't have another expense to record. However, if you need to immediately enter another expense, Save and New will save this transaction and open a fresh form. And there you have it. You've successfully created a manual expense in QuickBooks Online. Make sure you review your entries regularly to keep your financials in check. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more tips and tricks.